3 easy projects that can be done with one paper set. Let's get into it. Okay, first things first, I have to show you guys the paper set that I'm using today. This is Willow and Vine by Pink Monarch Prints, and I love this set. I designed it with kind of that eclectic vintage feel in mind. It is a printable set with 20 pages in it, so feel free to check that out. I'll have it linked. And also you can use whatever papers you have. We have so many paper sets on our site if you guys want to check them out. But this is going to be a very easy, very followable, if that's a word, tutorial for you guys today. Basically, each project is very easy but comes together in a classy and beautiful way. Let's start off with idea number 1. Envelopes. Who doesn't love envelopes? And this set is gorgeous. I couldn't stop making them, so I have a few here to show you. They are so fun and come together just really nicely. Super good to gift, use in journals, whatever you like, whatever your vibe is. And the crafting details for this. I used regular weight copy paper. That's what I wanted to do. It worked really well. And I even included the measurements here on screen for you guys. Step 1 is you are going to fold your paper so the edges just barely overlap. Step 2 is the envelope flap and the bottom, so go ahead and fold that and make one a little bit bigger. I like to round my corners because it gives it that coin envelope feel. I love it. Next, you can just open that envelope up and we're going to cut off all 4 of those little corners where there are the fold lines. So I like to cut those off, and as an extra step, if you want to, you can cut off these little triangle shapes as shown in the video. This just helps your envelope fold a little easier and it's great. It also makes it look a little bit more professional, and I like to ink just because it helps define everything, and I don't know, it's just my style. Add that glue in the center, glue your bottom, and you are done. Leave that top flap open, add embellishments, add a closure, whatever you like, but this is the base and it's adorable. I literally love these. All right, let's move on to idea number 2, which is these stacked layered pockets. Yes, these kind of do look a little bit complicated, but in reality, they are actually probably the easiest one here if you just bear with me. But first, let's take a look. This is what the pocket looks like when there's nothing inside. I still do have the embellishments on the front, which I worked on an embellishment kit that matches this paper set, so feel free to check that out. It will also be in the description of this video if you happen to want the extra add-ons and fun things that are in the same color palette. But here is another one, and let's watch the video of how to make it. Step 1 is to fold your square piece of paper in half and then fold it up, leaving about an extra inch. Then you're just going to grab each corner and fold it and kind of try and leave the same amount of space in between. Open everything up and you can see we're going to cut off those corners. So almost a similar idea to making the envelope. Finally, just glue everything so it can be secure, embellish however you want, and it's done. I like to make these. They are so much fun, and there's actually a lot of different variations that you can do. These are so great to add into journals and just look very professional, but they're so easy to make. Okay, y'all, I saved the best idea for last because that's how I roll. Something about little notebooks just gets me really excited, and this set, just having one of everything, makes my heart so happy. For lack of a better word, I would almost call these throwaway journals, just something that you can kind of write down grocery lists, to-do lists, easy thoughts, quick sketches, things like that. This is also a perfect set for gifting because easy to make, beautiful, handmade gifts are the best, and I just love it. I don't know though if I can gift this because I love it so much, but maybe I don't know. Maybe I need to work on that. Anyways, for the inner pages, you can actually use whatever you have on hand. I used a variation of coffee dyed papers, scrap papers, blank white papers, kind of just whatever I had. The one I showed, I did coffee dyed papers, and I think that one ended up being my favorite. I thought it was super cute. But let's get into the tutorial of how to make these adorable little notebooks. Very quickly, let's talk about some of the supplies I used. I used copy paper for the cover and for the pages inside. If you want a little bit of a more durable notebook, I recommend using something heavier for the cover, and you're going to need a stapler as well. I have a long reach stapler that I really love. I think the standard stapler would also work because these are mini, but you need it to be able to reach the middle seam. I don't know, you'll see it in the video. So here it is, the gorgeous, gorgeous notebook set. You're going to start with your cover piece and just fold it in half. Get it ready. Then I only have 4 inserts for the signature of this notebook. This is what my stapler can handle, so it's what I do, and it works totally great because you end up getting 16 different pages to work on, and I like that. That works for me. So line up all of your creases and then add that cover in. If you want to make sure that everything is perfectly lined up, you can even use some washi tape, something that'll come off very easily. So then grab your stapler, go ahead and line it up right in the seam. You want to line it up as best as you can. It's something I'm still working on, but here it is. Isn't that amazing? And then all of your notebooks, you can just make them different and fun. I also secured mine with string. You don't even have to do that. And I also did a really cute ribbon tying them all together to keep them as a set, and I just thought it was adorable. So anyway, that was my favorite project of the whole video. And if you guys liked these ideas, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. Check out our Etsy shop. We design a lot of fun junk journal and scrapbooking paper sets and other supplies. It is my dream job, and I love getting to do this. So thank you guys so much for following along on our little journey. We love this community. You guys are the best. And I want to just give a little shout out because I am to the point where I cannot keep up with the amount of comments that I'm getting on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, everywhere. So I want you to know I appreciate those so much. I'm literally getting to a point where I cannot keep up with it, and that is such a big blessing. I'm so grateful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I genuinely hope that you guys are able to give these ideas a try. Crafting is such a great hobby. It's such a relaxing, revitalizing thing for me, and I hope it can be for you too. I want to take the stress out of it and just make you enjoy it, enjoy the process, have easy ideas on hand, and yeah, that's what I'm here for. And make sure to check out our Etsy shop. We are up to over 500 different paper crafting sets, so there's bound to be something just for you, and we try to keep it pretty affordable. They are printable and digital, so you can download it, print it at home, and make things right away. I hope y'all have a great day, and we will see you in our next video. Goodbye.